This literature kit on Sarah, Plain and Tall by Patricia McLaughlin includes a comprehension quiz that works great as a study guide for a final exam. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students begin by imagining the hardships with living as a pioneer on the American prairies. Answer true or false questions about Sarah's letter to Anna and Caleb. Complete sentences from the story with their missing vocabulary words. Do some investigation to learn about mica, something that Sarah says her dune sparkled with. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as using events from the story to inspire a tercet poem. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Lists the main events of the story in the order in which they occurred. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.